think I'm coming down with something. Strike 3. Well, no. There were already 3 strikes. Because Zoe was also not going very well. She's doing a little bit better now. I think I'm getting down with a cold. I've not been taking really good care of myself the last, well, since the new year started actually. Sort of opposite of how do you say this again? The good stuff you want to do for the year. We didn't start well. I don't know, guys. I find it very weird that everything goes with so much resistance. Normally, when you're on the right path, like, things don't go with so much resistance. Niente. Calma, calma.
Guerrilhas da Luz, Associação.
Ah, muito boa. João saw it. Guerrilhas da Luz, Associação. Did you see the smile on his face? So guys, this is probably going to be the death of me. €127. It's 2/0 AWG. So not 2 AWG. This thing is very big. And some tools to Hey Zoe! I don't think there's anything to eat, sweetie. Nine. It's the tool to put these things on the wires. It wasn't that easy to find for these like mega big wires, so let's hope it's gonna work. Akira. We're back. Sort of. The girls are very happy to go on a walk. The first time in 3 days they go for a walk. Look at them go. Fresh air! Still a little bit short of breath. Might not have been the best idea. We do need to clean the bed at some point today, sweetie. Meu Deus. Nice sunshine, girls. Yeah, so I had the time to analyze the last 3 days. Like I said in the former video, I'm not taking very good care of myself because of all the stuff I need to do, like sit inside behind the computer, don't get any sunlight, don't take too much good care of myself. Yeah, and then you go into a place, probably the IMT office, where there's like 30 people sitting and waiting, and one has a flu. And then I'm very vogel, very how you say, susceptible. Well, it makes it very easy for the flu to get to me, let's say it like that. I don't think I ever been this sick from a flu. I had this this flu we all had like 5 years ago. I was one of the first to get it. It only took me one evening and I was back up and running. I remember I had, when I was still living with my parents, I had one time that I was like down for like 2 days from some sort of flu. You want this one? It fell on the ground. It's very dirty. But not like this, man. Not like this. It was like my head was like 100 kilograms. I couldn't even keep my head up. I did absolutely nothing. This is I think it's some event, a national hunting event already for 2 days in the forest. People shouting and shooting, and the girls don't like it. Hey! I mostly spent 3 days watching movies. Now I also know why I don't watch so many movies. There's a lot of horrible movies. still have muscle pain, especially in my back. I think it's from the coughing. I also had it in the top of my legs. When I was coughing, I thought my legs were gonna bail on me. Yeah, I never had it this bad. And if you're then like all by yourself, it's problematic. Because I couldn't fix any dinner. Not that I wanted dinner. I couldn't like clean anything. I couldn't walk the dogs. This morning was the first time the dogs had a walk in 3 days. So yeah, I think I need to clean some poo from the garden. But yeah, that's if you're that sick, it's not ideal when you're alone here. I also didn't want Maria to come in because she's like elderly, so she might have a lot more resistance than me though, but I didn't want to risk it. Because if she knows I'm sick, then she'll bring like tea and stuff like to make me better. But I didn't want her to come close because I don't want to risk it. So now after 3 days we're kind of up and running again. But I think I lost 3 kilos, guys. I was standing in the shower this morning and my waist is completely gone. There's nothing. I could almost just grab it like this with 2 hands. So, can you guys help me, remind me that I don't neglect myself? This way, girls. Where did those girls go? Girls? Ah, I see one. Akire! Ah. Girls, wait for me! Where's that going? Zoe! Andeka! Andeka, waar hier?